Hello, this is Aurelian Amacker speaking in this text. Aurelian is the founder of SystemeIO, and thank you for taking the time to check us out. Let me tell you a little bit about how our awesome tool came to be. I've been hustling online since 2010, and when ClickFunnels started back in 2014, I immediately tried it out. It was good, but still needed many complicated integrations for me to effectively run my online business. I knew that this would cost me more and just suck money out of my business. Then I thought, there must be a way to offer the same or an even better tool for a cheaper price. I decided it was time that software designed for online entrepreneurs should be designed by online entrepreneurs. After 2 long, difficult years, SystemeIO was born. Just look at all these great features. A visual editor to easily create squeeze pages and forms, an integrated autoresponder to send emails, a platform to host membership sites, a payment page editor with one-click upsells and order bumps, management of subscriptions and installment payments, automatic generation of your invoice, managing your affiliate program, world-class design. You will get access to all of these features for free forever, and our paid plans are still cheaper than our competitors. For only $27 per month, you can manage up to 5,000 contacts and enjoy unlimited email sending. In short, I believe SystemeIO is the simplest, fastest, and most accessible all-in-one marketing platform on the market. But you don't have to take my word for it. You can try it out for yourself for free. So go to SystemeIO.com and get started for free. Just enter your email address and you will have a free account, unlimited for life. Bye bye.